Now in the key of C, this is your 3. 1, 2, 3. This is your 3 chord. Okay. Now the first chord version for the 3 is this. This is how it sounds like. Alright, normal version would be this, but this is our version that sounds nicer. So on your left hand, you play this chord, this note, that note, that note. Right hand, this, and that. Okay? Or you can simply play the power chord like this on your left hand. Or you can stretch and play this. Now let's apply it in a song, El Shaddai. I'm going to play the basic version. 2, 5, 3, 6, 2, 5. Right. Now let's apply it. We're going to apply it. You see it. Let's take it again. Ooh. Sounds so nice. Now let's get another song and apply it. Lord, prepare me. Okay. Then that's the chord, your 3 chord. Right, so the progression 1, 5, 3, then 5. Okay, so let's take it again. We learned this chord in our previous chord number 1 video. All right. This chord we also learned in our chord number 2 video. Ooh. All right. Okay, let's talk about the next version. The next version, this version, you've probably heard it over and over again, is this. I'm sure you have heard it. We are still in the key of C. So left hand, E, B, E, or E, B, G, like that. Then right hand, this, that, and that. So all together. Okay. So let's apply it in the same song. Okay. That's a chord. Let's take it again. Right. We are going Okay, that's it. Then to our 5, then back to the 1, G, C. So that's a chord. You can also play it this way, like this. It's the same thing, rearranged. That's it. Okay. All right, so our version number 3, this is how it sounds like. I can play it here. I can play it here. So that's the chord. Left hand, right hand, all together. Sounds like this. Okay. Now let's apply it in the same song. Lord, prepare me. That's a chord. 3. Just see how nice it is. Let me take it again. The 3 is coming. Alright, so to recap, the 3 beautiful chords that we learned today are this, version 1, version 2, version 3. All right, as usual, I would like you to take all these chords and apply them in all the other keys. Learn them in all the other keys, right? You can check out my video on how to master all 12 keys. Link in the description, or you can click here to view it. Now, the next chord, I'll be talking about 3 beautiful chords you can use to replace chord number 4. So please subscribe to this channel if you haven't, so that you don't miss out when I upload that video.